powerful. What a spear. The Doomsday just tossed it. Oh, wait a minute, he went right in the flames. He was hanging off those flames, and then the Doomsday drop. That's gotta be it. 1, 2, 3. No, he kicked out. Oh, a drop kick by Doomsday. Something I was not expecting. Another drop kick. And he's gonna power slam him. Oh, and power slammed him through the flaming table. Good Lord. Oh, my God. Now, wait for him to get up. There's the Doomsday drop. There's another Doomsday drop. Oh, God, look at the whole ring shook after that. Now, here it comes. No, he's not gonna... Oh, my God, what a slam! Into the mat. I thought he was gonna go for the Doomsday toss, but instead he hit that slam. 1, 2, and 3. No, he's still kicked out. And Doomsday is livid. He cannot believe this. And then he tosses him right out the ring. Now he's going after the referee. Doomsday's just going crazy here. He gets back in the ring, but I don't think it really matters. Wait a minute, counter. Now headbutts. Taking down Doomsday. Now puts him in the corner. Big boot. Doomsday back up. He throws it into the leg of Doomsday. Oh, and then a Mongolian chop. Wait, now the Shredder is using his wrestling ability to go behind Doomsday. Not only does he martial arts ability, but the wrestling ability as well. It's good. It's good to know in a situation like this. What's the Shredder doing? Actually, Doomsday has been beaten twice, my bad. He was defeated by Spider-Man, and he was defeated by Inuyasha. Wait a minute, now counters him. He's going to the table. Throws him on the table. Now counter. Throws him on the table. And the Gourd Buster. That busted Doomsday open. And now, maybe going for Shredded here. And he got it! He got Shredded. Oh, wait a minute. Is he thinking what I think he's thinking? Yes, he is. He's thinking that slam of the table through a table! Good Lord! Now Shredder getting a ladder. Wonder what that's for. Now, wait a minute here. That's him up. Oh, it slams him down on the ladder. Anytime Doomsday gets slammed, the ring shakes. I think it's gonna break again. Can't afford another ring break. Oh! Slam. Now the Shredder just punched it at the face and the throat of Doomsday. Oh, this quick super kick. Another quick super kick. Oh, a whole bunch of chops, and then throws him into the ladder. And slams him down. Not gonna do it through the ladder, is he? He's gonna. Oh my God! Through the ladder. Wait a minute. Doomsday countered that punch. Countered that one as well. Wait a minute. Shredder countered. Headbutt to the back. Now he's stalking him. Maybe going for one final blow here. Here it comes. And there he goes. Choke slam of the Tengu. Doomsday a bloodied mess. Now what's he doing? He's dragging him. And there's that shooting star. 1, 2, and 3. The Shredder wins this matchup. Doomsday kicked out, but it was too late, because it was the last moment. Sword Buster here. Sweat busted Doomsday open. Then this. The final blow right in the middle of the ring, the hardest part of the ring in WWE. Is the center of the ring. It's not the corners of the ring, near the corners. It's the center of the ring. And that's where he slammed Doomsday. For like a 5th time. And now the Shredder will go into Pain, Love, and Sacrifice in 2 months to face off against Dr. Doom. I wonder what Dr. Doom has got to be thinking backstage.